This is Amanda with AmandaHillLifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I install box braids in my daughter's hair. I love box braids because they're easy to install, cost efficient, low maintenance, low manipulation, a great protective style, and if maintained properly, you can get maximum hair growth. Jump right in. I've sectioned off the back of her hair and I'm adding a conditioner to her hair because this is considered a protective style to me. So I'm going through each section, adding moisturizer, and the pattern that I'll be using is the brick parting pattern to do her hair. It'll be similar to the brick parting pattern. And I'll link below where I got this printout at. Okay, you guys, as I said, I'm just moisturizing her, each section of her hair. And to get those roots slick, I'm going to be using an edge control, and I'll link that down below as well. And I'm brushing the edge control close to the roots to make sure that her roots stay straight throughout the process and while she maintains this hairstyle. I'm doing the rubber band method for box braids, and I am applying the rubber band. I don't put it in oil or anything like that. I haven't had any problem with breakage with rubber bands at all. So you see how smooth that is? And I'm just going to work the entire back section before I part and move on to the rest of her head. I'm just taking my time, making sure I don't put the rubber band too tight, brushing the product through so she'll have a sleek braid area. And you guys, make sure you're keeping your part straight, and I usually like to use a rat tail comb to ensure that. So I just went ahead and finished her entire head with the rubber band method for braiding. And she has a beautiful, healthy scalp. Box braids usually take me 2 days. I'm not a professional. So it takes me 2 days because my hands get tired and I'm up on my feet, and my kids are kind of difficult at times with moving their head and staying still, and they get restless and makes the process even worse. So I have all of her hair in the rubber band method and all of it parted. And she really enjoys this part. She loves for me to oil her scalp after I put the rubber bands in. And that jar has coconut oil, castor oil, and extra virgin olive oil. And I use this oil the entire time I have her braids installed in her hair. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to know when I upload videos. It is my goal to upload a video once a week. I want to grow this channel as large as possible. I want to help as many people as possible be the very best version of themselves. The hair that I'll be using is the Q Jumbo Premium Hair Braid, Kankalon 100% soft. And right there, I'm just feathering the hair out to make sure won't have blunt ends, and the hair will look just tacky. And I'm just taking the part to double ensure that it won't have blunt edges, and the braid just gonna look stinky if it's not like that. So what I'm doing here, this is where I separate the hair, and I stack the hair individually on each one of these. It's easy to grab. The hair is not falling everywhere. You don't have tons of hair all over the floor. And this is the best and easiest method for me. Okay, so I'm going right ahead and install her braids. And this is just the back portion of it. And it's kind of like an underhanded braid. I've completed our entire head, and now I'm at the front component of it, and I'm going to show you how I attach the hair. I hook it around her rubber band and I braid underhanded. Very, very close. The closer or the tighter you braid it, the better the braid will look. My daughter braids usually last approximately 2 months with proper maintenance and a refresher in between the 2 months. We've even had it to go 3 months, and she had so much new growth. And she just had achieved a wonderful result. She has this method that she does, and I didn't even truly pay attention to it after the fact, but she keeps it moisturized. We keep her scalp oil. She keeps it conditioned, and her hair just grows, grows, grows when she has box braids in. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to seal her ends, and I'm just going to take a pot of hot water. Please, please be careful with this step. You will get burned. Please be careful. And I'm dipping it in and out to make sure I got all of the hair in there. Please be careful. I cannot stress that enough. I know of an incident where a child got burned extremely bad because of the container that they were using flipped over. Please be careful. And you want to keep the hair straight once you set it. You're setting it in the water. You want to dry it off in a straight line because you want the braids to stay straight. So now we are at the end of it, and I'm going to use foaming lotions to make sure any of our hair that may be poking out in there is going to lay flat. And I'm going to put that all through her hair, kind of heavy-handedly all through her hair. And she is very excited. And now I'm just going through framing her face, working on her little baby hairs. You guys, she loves when I frame her face. She's in such a good mood. This was a long process. I washed, deep conditioned, stretched her hair, and put the braids in, and did the parting. I'm going to link a video showing how I washed and deep conditioned her hair to prepare it for these box braids. These are the finished results. She feels so pretty, you guys. She was so happy and glad the process was over. She knows that she doesn't have to worry about getting her real hair combed or anything like that or breakage. She is so excited that she knows she has 2 months of carefree hairstyles. All right, you guys, signing off here. I hope you enjoyed our videos. Please stay tuned for more. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos. And as always, be the very best you. Thank you.